Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Capital One Venture Business Card. This card is great, but with a $95 annual fee, the big question is whether this card delivers enough value to justify that cost. By the end of this video, you know exactly whether this card is a smart choice for your business or whether you'd be better off looking at one of the alternatives that I'll mention later. Let's get started. The Capital One Venture Business Card is a travel rewards credit card designed specifically for small business owners, entrepreneurs, freelancers, consultants, and anyone who regularly incurs business expenses. Unlike many business credit cards that force you to track spending categories such as office supplies, advertising, gas, restaurants, or shipping, the Venture Business Card takes a much simpler approach. Instead of offering different earning rates across multiple categories, the card rewards you with a flat rate of miles on virtually every purchase you make. The simplicity is one of the biggest reasons that this card has become popular among business owners. Many entrepreneurs don't want to spend time figuring out which card earns the most rewards at a particular merchant. They simply want one card that consistently earns travel rewards on every dollar they spend. The Venture Business Card is built around that philosophy. Now let's talk about the main features of the Capital One Venture Business Card. Unlimited miles on every purchase. Yes, you earn unlimited 5 times miles on hotels, vacation rentals, and rental cars that are booked through Capital One Business Travel. You also earn 2 times unlimited rewards on every purchase for your business. There are no rotating categories and there are no spending caps. There are no activation requirements. This means every business expense contributes towards future travel rewards. Next is enhanced rewards through Capital One Travel. The card becomes more even rewarding when you book travel through Capital One Travel. And eligible travel purchases booked through the travel portal can earn significantly higher rewards compared to standard purchases. So for business owners who frequently book flights, hotels, and rental cars, this can dramatically accelerate rewards accumulation throughout the year. Flexible redemption options. One thing many travelers appreciate about Capital One Miles is the flexibility. So you're not locked into a single airline. You're not restricted to one hotel chain. Instead, miles can generally be redeemed in several different ways. For example, you can cover travel purchases, you can book travel through Capital One Travel, you can transfer miles to airline partners, you can transfer miles to hotel partners, and you can redeem rewards toward eligible travel expenses. This flexibility makes the Venture Business Card appealing to both occasional travelers and frequent flyers. Next is the valuable welcome bonus. Yes, new card holders who meet the required spending threshold can earn a substantial amount of bonus miles in just a few months. On the website currently says you can earn 100,000 bonus miles when you spend $10,000 in the first 3 months. So if your business naturally spends enough money to meet the spending requirement, the welcome bonus can significantly offset the annual fee during the first year. Next are employee cards. That's another useful feature. These allow team members to make business purchases while helping the company accumulate rewards. Now let us talk about the pricing. As earlier mentioned, the annual fee of the card comes down to $95. So what are the pros and cons of using this card? Let's start with the pros. It has a simple reward structure. It has strong everyday earning potential, flexible travel redemptions, access to transfer partners, and it's easy to manage. And what about the cons? It has an annual fee, and the card is better for travelers than cashback seekers. It requires travel to maximize the value of the card, and there's limited premium travel perks. Spending requirements is also needed to earn the bonus miles. So now, back to the most important question. Is the Capital One Venture Business Card actually worth the $95 annual fee? Well, for many business owners, I would say yes. Because overall, the Venture Business Card strikes an excellent balance between affordability and rewards potential. It offers enough value to satisfy frequent business travelers without charging an excessively high annual fee. But for freelancers, consultants, small business owners, and entrepreneurs who travel regularly and who want a straightforward rewards program, the $95 annual fee is generally easy to justify. And that's it on the review of the Capital One Venture Business Card. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore the Capital One Venture X Business American Express Business Gold Card, and Chase Ink Business Preferred. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.